Hello Darrell, this is Mr. Schrader from Algebra 1. I'm going to make a quick YouTube video for your last minute midterm review. One of the skills that I identified that you needed some help with was this problem. Write an expression relating the number of boxes B and the number of donuts D, noting that one box contains 12 donuts. Now, I know it's tempting to write B equals 12D, box equals 12 donuts, but we're talking about the number of boxes and the number of donuts. So what we do is we'll make a table relating boxes and donuts. So let's just focus on this table. When we have one box, we know we need 12 donuts. Similarly, when we have two boxes, that's going to contain 24 donuts, and three boxes is going to contain 36 donuts. Now, what are we doing to get from this point to this point? Well, here we could be adding 11, but adding 11 to 2 doesn't give us 24, so what we're actually doing is multiplying each term by 12. Similarly, we need to multiply the B by 12 to get D. Every B we multiply by 12 to get D. The number of boxes multiplied by 12 equals the number of donuts. So we know we need to relate B and D, and we are multiplying B by 12. And that is all it is. Multiplying B by 12. I also saw that you were struggling with some inequality word problems, so I am providing a link to the video that I made for that. And the last thing is solving and graphing inequalities. So let's look at an example. 3 times the quantity x plus 2 is less than or equal to 5x plus 10. So we want to solve this. We want to solve this the exact same way we would solve an equation, which means isolate the variable x, figure out the unknown. So the first step is we look at the left. We distribute the 3 into the x and into the positive 2. So 3x, 3 times x, plus 3 times 2 is 6, less than or equal to 5x plus 10. We didn't change the inequality, and we didn't change this quantity. Now, we need to get the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the smaller x quantity. 3x minus 3x equals 0. 5x minus 3x equals 2x. So now, we didn't change the plus 6. We didn't change the inequality. We have 2x plus 10. Almost done. The numbers need to get on the other side. So since the x's are on this side, I'm going to move the numbers to the other side. Subtract 10, and we also have to subtract 10 from this side. So 10 minus 10, 0. 6 minus 10, minus 4, negative 4. Hold the inequality, hold the 2x. Almost done. We just need to divide by 2. Divide by 2. That cancels. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So x is greater than or equal to negative 2. If this would have been a negative 2 that we would have divided by, we would have reversed the sign. But since it was positive, we do not reverse the sign. This is how you solve, just like an equation. Graphing these, they will ask you to create a number line. It will look like this. Put some tick marks. I typically do 5 tick marks. The number, there's only going to be one number in your answer. You put that square in the middle. Move positive going this way, so getting bigger, negative 1, 0. This would go to 1, 2, 3. Getting smaller on the left. Negative 3, negative 4, this goes down to negative infinity. So we circle the number that's in our answer. If it is less than or greater than or equal to, if it's the or equal to, we're going to fill in the circle. If there was not that line there, if it was not or equal to, we do not fill it in. Because we have to include 2 in our answer, and the way we indicate that is by filling in the 2. Last step we need is to draw an arrow in one direction or the other. We know that x is bigger than negative 2, so we're going to put the arrow this way. X is getting bigger. So x goes through negative 1, goes through 0, goes all the way that direction. I hope this helped. Good luck on the midterm tomorrow.